Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Proctor Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California, where you're always welcome and I always love having you here to join me. Okay, so it's morning in Solana Beach and I was actually just on my way into our gym to film a quick workout for you, and then I thought I don't have a snack for later tonight and I don't have breakfast for tomorrow morning. So being the efficient creature that I am going to make 2 servings of my lemon poppy seed overnight oats. Now, it does require a little bit more work than traditional overnight oats, only because you're gonna zest a lemon and you're gonna squeeze a little lemon juice in there, but it's worth it if you like lemon and poppy seed. My husband doesn't like lemon, so he doesn't like these, but I do. All right, so let me show you quickly how we're going to make it. You're going to take a bowl, obviously, and we're going to take, for 2 servings, we're going to use 1 cup of rolled oats. Now, ladies, the reason I love using rolled oats is because this actually has a lot of protein and fiber in it. You wouldn't think so, but it does. So in a half a cup of rolled oats, there are 7 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. So, double that for what I'm using, but per serving, that's a lot more than you would think. So use that. And then I always love adding my chia seeds because it gives it a little more oomph to the dish. Oh, just a minute. It gives a little more oomph to the dish, a little more meatiness. And chia seeds also add good protein, fiber, and healthy fats to the mix. So I love using chia seeds. Now I am using white chia seeds. Use what you have on hand. If you are having company, I would recommend using the white chia seeds because it won't muck up with the poppy seed to make it look muddy, but use what you have on hand. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. The recipe link will be below in the video description for you, so no worries. So we're going to use a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm going to just do a quick pinch of salt. A little pinch of salt. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla. Remember when you were a kid and you would smell vanilla and it smelled so good that you tasted it and then it tasted bitter? I don't know why I just thought of that. All right, so I use about vanilla. And for the sweetener, I use, that I love my no sugar flavorings. And so this is maple flavored syrup that is made of monk fruit. And again, it is no sugar. It's a natural sweetener. And I add a couple tablespoons. You can just do it to taste. I'm going to add a tablespoon of poppy seeds. And then I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon. You want it's about 2 teaspoons, which is about 1 full lemon. So I'm just gonna zest this up. And ladies, like I said, this is maybe a little more work than a traditional overnight oat, but really it's just the zesting of the lemon that gives it a little more work involved, but I like it and it's worth it. And you know what? Try it. If you don't like it, you don't have to make it again. That's what I always tell my husband. I go, just try it. If you don't like it, you don't have to eat it again. But sometimes you find some of the best meals by trying. Okay. And this is going to be, like I said, a lady-size serving. So a lady-size serving is about half a cup of oatmeal and about 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I like to keep things figure-friendly. If something is healthy but not figure-friendly, I will always tell you, I'll say this is a treat. It's healthy, it's a healthier option, but no one's squeezing into their skinny jeans eating it. But this is actually healthy and is figure-friendly. Okay. Add that to the mix. And then I'm just going to squeeze a couple teaspoons of actual lemon juice into the mixture. So 2 teaspoons, depending on how juicy your lemon is. I kind of eyeball it. I got a seed in there. You guys know I kind of just eyeball things. Ouch. Okay, that's about good. Okay, I am a messy cook. And then for the liquid, all we're going to do is we are going to add a cup of almond milk, all right? I add unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I add about a cup. That's about a cup. And I'm just gonna give it a quick stir. It smells good. I mean, there's nothing better almost than like the smell of fresh citrusy lemons. You can just smell this. And this is gonna be so pretty. And if I'm serving guests, I just put them in almost like a little mini sundae dish and put a little sprinkling of poppy seeds on top and a little slice of lemon on the side. And you can do that for yourself too. And I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it sit. Okay, ladies, and that's the recipe. All right, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna go in the gym. I'm gonna film a really good workout for you. For all things health, wellness, fitness, light recipes, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.